Hey there. So I am in my basement in my wine refrigerator. Let's see, can you see that all? And I wanted to show you, because I've already talked about them, is the Lucky Red. Here is the Lucky Red that I talked about a couple months ago, I think. 2012. So I don't remember trying this one, but it's probably next on the list. And I also talked about this one, Verdelho. See? Verdelho. From Malunga. I remember talking about this one because I really struggled with the words. But anyway, this is a very nice wine. And which other one did I talk about? Oh, Ensolorado. Where are you, Ensolorado? Ah! Squeaky drawer. Let's see if I can. There we go. Ensolorado. This is a very nice wine too. For somebody who likes sweet wine, yeah, that's a good one. Ooh, and okay, gotta be really careful. We really do have a wine fridge. And what's nice about this is not just tasting the wines, but we have so much that we can give to our friends as gifts. If we know they drink wine, though. So I will be back shortly with a new one. I think I'm going to talk about Rock Point's Pinot Noir. Noir. You don't say the R.